So I'm still loving my Ryker. So you guys come on, hop on the bike, come take a ride with me, and let's enjoy the outdoors. So I really love riding my Ryker. I mean, it's just so much fun. You get to just tap into the elements, the sky. Just look how beautiful the sky is, how the clouds are. Even though we had a storm rolling in, I mean, just looking at the way the sky, getting some of that sunlight, the wind. I mean, it's just awesome. So I'm really, really enjoying it, and it just kind of lets you be free. So I'm just loving it. I'm just riding around the neighborhood. I wanted to check out a new angle for the camera. Normally I have it down low, but it gives me a nice shot, more so of the sky. So I kind of wanted more of that cabin, where the handlebars are, that kind of view, and just kind of check that out. And I'm liking that. So I need to figure out how to set that up. And just taking in the scenery. I mean, look at the lake, look at the sky. I mean, I love it. Got a little fountain over there. So I just really enjoy just being more free, and so I'm definitely digging it. So check out this fountain, check out this sky. Just stay tuned. I got you. Isn't that view amazing? I absolutely love it, and I'm glad that I caught that. Thank you guys for watching. Y'all know what to do. Like, share, subscribe. Ryker fam, tap in.